What's up everyone, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego train. So first off, let's start with the next step. So first up on the train, get two of these pieces, just like this. Then another one of the same like this. And you need two of these. Then four of these wheel pieces. Then put the wheel pieces on them. Like that. Like that. Then do the other wheels on the other side. Like that. Now we're going to move on with the next step, the base here.
Drink your milk.
Hold on, I'm doing this YouTube video on how to build a Lego steam engine.
Okay, you can take it back in.
So next, we're going to take one of these pieces, then one of these, put it on like that. Oh wait, wrong piece. Wrong piece. Actually, get one of these pieces and put it on like that. Then, like that. Put it on like there in the middle. Then get another one and put it just like that. You need another one of these and put it on like that. Now get one of these and then put it on right there. We're gonna do the wheels for last, so you could put those to the side for last. Then when you have that, now start out with the cow catcher of it. So get one of these pieces, put it right there. Then for these pieces, then put them right there. Then on it, put them right there, like I did. Yeah. Now let's move on to the front of the locomotive. So we'll need four of these blocks and put them on and make this shape for it. Put it on in the middle, like that. Now, we're going to do the headlight. Now, actually, let's do the other one of the locomotive. So, just do the same as you did. Yeah. Yeah. I'm using some different parts for these, actually. Now we're gonna make the funnel. So get two of these, then put it on like that. Then we're gonna keep doing the boiler part of the locomotive. Yep, like that. Now we're going to do cab of the engine. So just take two of these pieces, take two of these pieces, then 4 white ones of these, then stack them on like this, or you could do it another way. Then put it on. Now for the roof, we're gonna need one of these for the roof. And you just put it on like that. Yeah. Then put this part in the back like that. Now we're going to do the top. So this piece, put it on top. Get this piece here, put it on like that. Now in this black one here, and put it on right there. Yeah. Then now we're going to do the headlight. So get one of these pieces, put it right there on the engine. Now the headlight, so two the same of these, put that piece on. Now a yellow piece right there. Then the top one like that. Then put it on right there. Now we're going to put the funnel right there on that engine. Now put this piece right there on it. Yeah. Now we're going to do the last step, the wheels. So put this wheel right there, and put the other wheel right there. And there you go. There's how you make a lighter, medium, customized steam engine. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for some more Lego building videos and rail fanning videos. Bye bye. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment for more train and Lego build videos, and also smash that like button so you don't miss our videos. So thank you for watching. Bye.